Hello everyone, Eli with TK Custom. Today I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble a Smith & Wesson revolver. The tools you will need: a number 3 Brownell screwdriver, a number 5 Brownell screwdriver, a Brownell's Rebound slide tool, and 2 small flat screwdrivers. If you guys need these, there will be a link in the description below. First things first, let's make sure the revolver is unloaded. Alrighty, I will be taking this screw out, the one directly beneath the cylinder. That is the crane screw, and I'll be using the number 3. I'm going to go ahead and push the cylinder release, open the cylinder, hold the cylinder steady as I pull the crane out. So you have your cylinder assembly and your crane. Next, I'll go ahead and take off the cylinder release with the number 5 screwdriver. Alright, to get the side plate off, you want to take the back of the screwdriver and gently tap on the bottom of the frame, and the side plate will pop right off just like that. Some side plates are a little easier than others. The first part you'll see flopping around is the hammer block. What I like to do is push all the parts in, the rebound, slide, trigger, and hammer. And I'm going to go and take out the main spring. To take out the main spring, you just back out the strain screw. There's your main spring. Push all the parts in. I'm going to pull the cylinder release bar back. As I pull the trigger, I'm going to lift the hammer out. So in this hammer, you have the stirrup for your mainspring. You have the double action sear. And that you can just slide out. It is spring loaded, so there's a very small spring in there, right here. We can take the cylinder release bar out. You want to push back, and you want to press right here and lift up. But be careful because there is a spring and a plunger in there. Next is the rebound slide. I'll be using the Brownell's Rebound slide tool. There is a link in the description below. I'm going to put it between the pin and the spring. I'm just going to lift up. I like to put my thumb over the spring because this will go flying, just like that. So you have your spring and your rebound slide. Next thing is the trigger. You want to pull the hand back out of the window, and all I'm going to do is pull the trigger up, just like that. Trigger lever. Now to take the hand out, there's a torsion spring in the very back of this trigger. So you want to put the trigger face down. As I pull the hand out, there will be the spring right there. Next is the cylinder stop. I like to use a piece of cloth so you don't scratch the frame. A very small flat screwdriver. push a cylinder stop in and tuck the screwdriver in the back of the cylinder stop. Take another small screwdriver, and as I pull the cylinder stop, I'm going to tuck the other screwdriver underneath the cylinder stop, and I'm gently going to push up like that. That's enough. Now that I have it there, I'm going to put my finger over the spring. Just like that. So you have your cylinder stop and your spring. Now we can take the firing pin out. You'll just need a pair of needle nose pliers. I like to put my thumb behind the firing pin so it doesn't pop back up at you. And all I'm going to do is pull directly up on this pin right here. And that is how you disassemble a Smith & Wesson revolver. Thank you guys for watching.